Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the white background in Adobe Illustrator. Now let's get started.
First, open your image in Adobe Illustrator. Once the image is on your artboard, click on it to select it. This tells Illustrator that this is the object we want to work with. Now go up to Window and select Image Trace. This will open the Image Trace panel on the right side of your screen. Inside this panel, click on the Preset drop-down. Now choose High Fidelity Photo, then click on OK. Illustrator will now start tracing the image, capturing the colors and details as accurately as possible. Once the tracing is complete, go to the toolbar and click on Expand. This step is important because it converts the traced image into editable vector shapes. Now we can start removing the white background. Select the Direct Selection tool, that's the white arrow tool. Next, right-click on the image and choose Ungroup. This separates all the shapes so we can edit them individually. Now simply click on the white areas you want to remove and press Delete on your keyboard. Just like that, the white background disappears. You can repeat this step for any other white pieces you want to remove. And that's it. Your image is now clean and background free. If you want to export the image with transparency, go to File, then Export and choose Export As. Select PNG as the file format and click on Export. Then make sure transparent background is selected and click OK. Let's go and see the image we just exported. Now you have an image with a transparent background ready to use anywhere. That's how you remove a white background in Adobe Illustrator using Image Trace.